everyone, this is Miss Kabibi from Kabibi Hair. So in this video I'm doing a box opening and a first time review. First time I'm using the Revlon Hair Brush Styler. So I first found out about this product when one of the ladies in the Kabibi Hair Facebook group mentioned using it, and she had really good results. If you're not a part of the Facebook group, then click the link below and join the group. That's the best place to ask me questions, and you can post pictures of your hair, and it's just a really wonderful community of women who support each other in our hair goals. So my technique with using the brush blow dryer is to start from the ends and slowly work my way up to the roots. Now you can see how easily my hair glides through the bristles, and the brush head actually has a cushion behind the bristles, so it's not a rigid surface that you are pulling your hair through. So it was really easy to use. The one downside I would say is it probably won't get your roots super straight, but if that's not your goal, then the brush will work fine. Since I'm doing a no heat challenge for the last phase of my year-long hair challenge, I'm actually using the brush on the low setting and the cool setting. Now the handle stayed cool to the touch, however the paddle brush part did get a little bit warm, but I wouldn't exactly consider this direct heat. As with any blow dryer, I used a heat protectant and I thoroughly detangled my hair before I started using the brush. Now it was really easy to use around the back of my hair and the front of my hair, but the middle of my hair, it felt a little bit bulky because the brush head is a little bit larger. So doing it yourself might be a bit of a challenge, but I can totally see this being a phenomenal product if you have to blow dry your daughter's hair or blow dry someone else's hair, to get it straight without it being bone straight and without having to use super high heat. Here's how much hair was left in the brush. Now it's actually hard for me to say whether I lost more hair using this, because normally when I use my comb attachment, the hair would fly everywhere and wouldn't be left in the comb, so I wouldn't be able to say whether I lost more hair using the brush or not. That's it. So my hair isn't bone straight, which is fine. I don't want it to be bone straight because I'm about to braid it again. But I definitely would use this product to just get like a nice full blowout look without having to use high heat, and also with saving time. So I hope this video was helpful. Kisses. Bye.